Hi, good morning. This is Miss Hepworth. I thought I would go over yesterday's NTI work just to explain a few things. I think there are a few questions concerning the materials and the expectations. So right now what you see is I'm within the Snowmazing folder. I'm within the science day 2. And we have a couple documents here. The first document, and I will pull that up, is actually the assignment. All right, so what you need to do is you need to read through this background information. Okay, this is a writing task. Okay, it's about dung beetles. And there's 2 parts to this writing task. The first part is step 1. There is a graphic organizer that you need to complete. There are several questions a part of the graphic organizer. Dealing with the cause and effect relationship with dung beetles and their ability to navigate. So if you scroll down further, this is the actual graphic organizer, and there's 2 articles that provide information about how dung beetles navigate. So you just need to read the 2 articles, which are, there's links right here, and I believe when we go back outside of this link of the assignment, I'll show you where you can also access the 2 articles. The second thing that you're going to need to do is to write an explanation as to which article you think shows a stronger explanation of a cause and effect relationship for a dung beetle's navigation. So essentially, after you write these questions, you're going to say which one actually shares more information about how well, or provides the most evidence. There you go, that's the word I was looking for, as to how dung beetles navigate. So based upon the evidence that is provided in the article, which one does a better job of showing how well beetles navigate? If you have any questions, and this is where for step 2, where that response would go if you have the paper copy, but otherwise you're welcome to put it in a Google Doc. So I'll click back within that folder. So day 2, oops, I clicked back too far. Sorry about that. So click back within. So these are the links to the 2 articles if you didn't want to use the hyperlink within the task, the assigned task. And then once you're done, if you do it in Google, you're welcome to upload your response right here to this assignment link. If you have any questions, please feel free to call, or actually not really call. Well, you can call using Google Hangouts, email. Also, Ms. Calhoun will be doing a messaging live session later today. So check that out. Look at the links there on Schoology. Hope you guys are doing well. I'll catch you later.